Hello guys, I am Ghulam Abbas. I hope you guys are fine and doing great. In this video, I am going to show you how to install the VMware tools inside the Linux Mint. So you can have a look here. I have just installed the Linux Mint and now I need to configure the VMware tools so I can copy files from Windows inside it, or in other words, I can make it full screen so it should cover the whole area of my laptop. So this method can work on Ubuntu, Linux, Kali Linux itself, Debian, basically any version of the Linux you're using. So go to the VM and select Install VMware Tools. Now open it, open the zip file and extract it in the desktop. So here is the extracted folder. Now we need to install this one. So to install it, we have to use the terminal. So for the first time, I have to type down the ls that where I am and which directories I can reach. So type down cd and then type the desktop and the directory which we just extracted, that one that was VMware tools distribution. So simply click enter. Now type that sudo dot slash vm install .pl. Now at the end type dash d. D means the default settings where it has to be installed and all the default stuff. So simply click enter. Sudo not found. Sudo dot vmware install.pl 123. Now it is installing. I don't know why at first time that shows an error, but now it is working. So congratulations, now you have installed the VMware tools. Now you can have a look here. If you make it full screen, the whole window will become full screen for you. You can now simply copy or paste or whatever you are going to do. So it is so simple. Just extract the zip file on the desktop and then type sudo in the small letters, not like me in the capital letter. Just write it in the small letters, sudo dot slash vmware install .pl-d and then enter your password and it will install. So this is how you can install the VMware tools inside the Linux. I hope you liked this video.